Chester. Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Are you a good boy? Are you a good boy?
Your breast stinks. Okay, we're done.
Who's a good boy? You're a good boy. Yes, you are.
You see him? Huh? Scare him.
That's it. That's it. My feet are.
So as you can see, the FurBeast did a really good job of taking out my dog's hair. There's a couple things I wanted to point out that I really liked. The handle here fits very comfortably inside of your hand, and it seems like it's made for it to be held like this. And then you have this grip here, which is really nice, and it gives you a good grip to de-shed your dog. This part right here comes off very easily. You just slide it off, and this is great to keep it from rusting and to keep it from scratching anything else. This isn't like super sharp, so you don't have to worry about scratching your dog. And if you can see closer, they aren't very long. I kind of wish they were longer so I didn't have to continuously pull out the hair to get more hair out. But it does a great job, so, you know. And then this goes back on really easy as well. You just slip it right back on. And then I also wanted to show there's a button down here where you can press and you can slide this part off. And you can use this as just like a hand comb. So if you have like a smaller dog and this is just like too big to use on them, you can take it off and you can use this as a smaller addition to it. And then it just, if you just slide it back in, it snaps back in place. See, just like that. So it's a really good de-shedder. My dog loves it, I love it. It has a little hole here so I can hang it up easily, and it's very good quality, built with good hard plastic, and this part I think is some kind of silicone. but it's a very sturdy device, and I have no doubts that it will last for a very long time. So if you're looking for a good deshedder, I would definitely recommend the FurBeast deshedding tool.